Afterwards we will just keep taking it. This is the last trade we had it, guys, which is the pretty straightforward, amazing analysis. If you look at the 4 hour chart, price nicely respected here, bullish candle, we have this rejection and pullback. That's what I mentioned, look for pullback. So we have first, second, as you can see here, the first and second, we have this pullback. Momentum is bullish, 4 hour is telling us up. All the components help us to not miss this opportunity. And through live ID commentary and through live analysis, we every time pull back, I said to my trader, enjoy long, enjoy long. This is the first one. You see impulsive reaction, we'll look at here in 4 hour, price nicely respected here first, second, third time I say, guys, enjoy the banking some profit. So then we squeeze amazing profit, guys, on gold. Hello traders. Today is 26th of August 2025, Tuesday. Let me share with you guys the best analysis of the day and the best trade of the day. Let's look at the analysis. All right, so if you look at the pound dollar and if you look at the 4 hour chart, this is hold on. If you look at the 4 hour chart, we were looking this breakout yesterday, and we have a beautiful breakout short trade here, squeeze amazing profit. Even this morning we had a beautiful short trade here. Once the price respected, you can see here the price broke on this channel. So after this breakout, we were looking at pullbacks. Even if you look at the different ways of looking, we have this impulsive, we have this correction, and we were expecting some up from this area. So first we have managed to take a all decent short trade here. As you can see here, yesterday we had this beautiful breakout, squeeze amazing profit. Even after that, we had a couple of more short trade here. You can see the pullback, and then we're going to keep taking a pullback. This is the last trade we had this morning, and squeeze amazing profit. Once the price developed a false breakout, then we did another analysis because we were expecting possibility. If you look at this candlestick pattern, we have this rejection, so we did another analysis for counter opportunity. So this was the counter opportunity. You can see here what a beautiful rejection. Price developed false breakout, amazing trade. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, even if you look at the 4 hour chart, price nicely hit this level. That's what we suggest our traders time to bank some profit. So that was a beautiful trade we had it on pound dollar. All right, so let's look at the pound yen here, guys. Pound yen, beautiful. We had a short trade here, squeeze amazing profit yesterday, and we were looking here. This price nicely respected here. So after this breakout, we were expecting a short trade here. But as I said to my trader, as long as the price is going up, so we should be taking long trade too. But we were expecting a short trade here, pullback. So London morning session, we had this beautiful long trade here. We were taking amazing trades here. And at the New York session, we had this beautiful short trade here, which is previously, you can see the price developed second and third touch, beautiful short trade on pound yen. This is the last trade we had. This, and if you look at it, let me share with you the trade we had. This is the beautiful counter long trade this morning, which is, you can see the price nicely respected as we've been keep taking a long trade here. Then we have another beautiful breakout. You can see here a long trade here, and then we had another very small pullback. You can see here once the price develops sort of like a consolidation. And if you look at in 4 hour chart, we have this price sort of like keep respecting it and respected this level. So we were looking this price action here. So we had amazing, once the price developed reversal, we instantly updated our analysis. As you can see here, look for this breakout. The safest way, as always mentioned, you can see here the price nicely broken the previous low, and after that price nicely broken and give us the confirmation. And that was a beautiful short trade here. We were expecting action at this level. We had amazing short trade, guys, on pound yen and squeeze amazing profit. We also had an amazing breakout trade on euro USD. And yesterday we were expecting some price action at this level, which you can see the price nicely broken. We really enjoyed this rally. We also enjoyed this one, and we also enjoyed this counter long trade here. Now let me share with you guys how we analyze. So if you are following my analysis in the YouTube, we had this beautiful short trade yesterday, squeeze amazing profit. Even after that, we have another beautiful short trade here, squeeze amazing profit, and afterwards price developed a counter opportunity, and we also had this beautiful counter opportunity. You can see a pretty straightforward. Once the price developed a pattern here, inverted head and shoulder pattern, You can see a low high, and that's what we did this analysis. You can see beautiful breakout, hit to the profit target, squeeze amazing profit. And afterwards, I explaining to look for another pullback, which we did. We have another beautiful pullback, long was performed, which is you can see here. Based on that, we had another two beautiful pullback, squeeze amazing profit. The best trade we had it. We had an amazing trade, guys, on gold. If you look at the gold, and because this morning we had this beautiful prices keep rejecting it as long as the price here. We also had a long, we also had a short trade here, but in the New York session, we see this candle, bullish candle is closed here. So we had price came back and retest. We have this pullback, and we amazingly hit this profit target and squeeze amazing profit. Now let me share with you guys how we have a lot of analysis because this is a highly volatile instrument. So we have, if you look at we have this beautiful breakout trade here. Once the price respected, as mentioned here, once the price respected here, this beautiful short trade here, as mentioned here, look for pullback. We have one pullback, second pullback, third pullback, squeeze amazing profit. And after banking some profit, we also had a counter long trade here. As you can see here, the price nicely respected at this support level. We had this beautiful amazing trade, guys. We squeeze amazing profit on uh, gold, and afterwards we will just keep taking it. This is the last trade we had it, guys, which is the pretty straightforward amazing analysis. If you look at the 4 hour chart, price nicely respected here, bullish candle, we have this rejection and pullback. That's what mentioned, look for pullback. So we have first, second, as you can see here, the first and second, we have this pullback. Momentum is bullish, 4 hour is telling us up. All the components help us to not to miss this opportunity. And through live ID commentary and through live analysis, we every time pull back, I said to my trader, enjoy long, enjoy long. This is the first. Once you see impulsive reaction, we'll look at here in 4 hour, price nicely respected here first, second, third time. I say, guys, enjoy the banking some profit. So then we squeeze amazing profit, guys, on gold. Amazing trade, guys, today. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this analysis. If you want to see those analyses in real time with the live audio commentary support, most welcome. Join our fast growing today community, guys. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Have a nice day. Until next time, all the best.